can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana currently trades around $197. Solana has rallied up by 8.5% over the last 24 hours. On a weekly time frame, Solana is still down 15%. On a monthly time frame, Solana is still down 18%. Can we still get to a new all-time highs? In this video, look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. Are we ready to rally to new all-time highs, or is this the final stages of the bull market? Is Solana gearing up to dump aggressively to Goblin Town? We also look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. We look at Solana's market cap, which has rallied up above $100 billion. Solana's market cap currently sits above $107 billion. Can we get to that $150 billion level? Can Solana still outperform BNB? BNB has taken Solana's position in the top 10 cryptocurrencies and market capitalization. All coins sitting around the corner. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is fearful. How will that affect the price of Solana? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The biggest liquidation in cryptocurrency market history. We saw huge liquidations over the last 72 hours. All coins were dumping front, left, and center. The altcoin market is very, very volatile. The last 72 hours taught us a lesson of how volatile the altcoin market can be. We're always expecting big pumps to the moon, but the last 72 hours saw huge dump return back to the altcoin market. For Solana, we saw it losing 26% of its value in the process. But right now, it's back to the $197 level. Solana dropped to as low as $130. No, Solana dropped to as low as $170 on some exchanges. It dropped to as low as $130. But crazy pump. If you zoom out and you take out all the crazy emotions and you ask yourself the $1 million question: if I bought Solana at $8, at $10 at the bottom of the bear market, will this be a good price to sell for some sweet profits? The answer is definitely yes. If you bought some Solana deep down in Goblin Town, right now you're singing Kumbaya. Market participants that bought at $19 are still up 1,000%. That's how volatile the altcoin markets can be. And even though we saw the biggest crash in the cryptocurrency market, you are still up 1,000% if you bought the bottom and you waited for the market to pump. You have one job in the market, guys: to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when the market is very fearful, to sell when the markets become very greedy. We saw some elements of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market over the weekend. When the biggest crash in crypto happens, what do you expect sentiment to be? You expect sentiment to get very extreme, and that's what we got in the cryptocurrency market. But right now, Solana is back to us almost $200, trading at $197, $199 level. Can we still bump above the $295 that Solana traded for in January of 2025? That was the day Donald Trump launched his meme coin on Solana, and that was the all-time high for Solana. Since then, we've not seen Solana rally back to $290. From where we're currently trading, for Solana to head back to the previous all-time highs, we need to see Solana pump up by more than 45%, which is possible. We saw Solana doing that in 7 days in January of 2025. I always say the final phase of the market cycle, guys, is where most of the gains are made, but that's where many market participants get very emotional. You have to put yourself in the shoes of the smartest person in the market. The smartest person in the market probably bought when Solana was trading around $10, $13. Let's even assume he waited till Solana got to $20. Right now, he's on some sweet profit. And if you look at what Solana has done over the last 500 days, we have been ranging around the $200 level, to the point that right now Solana is trading at $200. Market participants are still fearful. The $200 level saw extreme greed return to the cryptocurrency market just as early as March of 2024. But right now, market participants are used to seeing Solana trade at that $200 level. That what will return greed will be maybe Solana bust to new all-time highs. Maybe we see it get to $500. But one thing is sure, guys, I believe Solana has been going through distribution since March of 2024. And even though we see Solana bust to new all-time highs, that all-time highs might be short-lived. Solana could easily get to $300, maybe even $400. From what we're currently trading right now, for Solana to get to $400, we need to see it pump by more than 100%. And you never want to say never in the altcoin market. Just the same way you never want to say this crash can never happen. The last 72 hours prove everything is possible. That's the same way you don't want to say this pump can never happen, because everything is possible. But then we have to entertain the possibility that the bull market is coming to an end, that Solana big players are distributing their large bags before they commence the big dump to Goblin Town. You know, if you buy low, then you can sell high. But if you buy high, the market will force you to sell low at some point in time in the future. Let's look at some details about Solana before we head back to the charts. Solana trades above $197. Solana's market cap sits around $108 billion. Fully diluted market cap is at around $121 billion. The all-time high for Solana happened on the 19th of January 2025. That was 9 months ago. Solana traded for as high as $294. Right now it's down 32% from its all-time highs. You want to get some SOL for yourself? You can get some Solana on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana right there. Now, if you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, we saw Solana outperforming Ethereum over the last few weeks, but right now it looks like it's giving back those gains. Solana topped against Ethereum on the 21st of April 2025. Coincidentally, that was when Ethereum started outperforming Bitcoins. That's when Solana started outperforming Ethereum. We saw a pullback that Solana was outperforming Ethereum. Finally, a chill pill took place. Solana continued its gains against Ethereum. But right now, as Solana has started losing value against Ethereum, I will not be shocked if we are going for the final leg to all-time highs, the final leg that will see us blow into the moon before we start our big dump to Goblin Town. Back in 2021, we saw Solana first topping against Ethereum. It topped against Ethereum on the 6th of September 2021. The cycle didn't end till we got to like December. And right now, we're seeing Solana has peaked against Ethereum since April. I'm sure the cycle will end at some point in time in the nearest future. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, watch out. Big players already flipping from Solana into Ethereum, from Solana into BNB. Don't get swept out in the cloud. Solana has had its own time in the sun. All other coins are going to have their time in the sun, and I believe that time is now. If you look at Solana's market cap, it's been struggling above the $100 billion level. The all-time high for Solana's market cap still firmly sits above $142 billion. And over the weekend, BNB finally outside Solana from being the third largest cryptocurrency in the market. Right now, Solana is rated 5th in the cryptocurrency market. XRP is above it, BNB is above it, Ethereum and Bitcoin is above it. Solana has been one of the biggest gainers in this cycle, but right now there's a lot of fatigue for Solana holders. They're expecting big gains. They're not expecting Solana to be going sideways, and to be honest, Solana has actually just been rallying sideways since the 11th of March 2024. With Solana trading at the $107 billion level, for us to get to $200 billion in market cap valuation, Solana will need to rally up by 90% from where we're currently trading. Bitcoin dominance in cryptocurrency markets on the decline. We expect more decline in Bitcoin dominance. The faster Bitcoin dominance decline, the faster altcoins pump to the moon. The faster altcoins pump to the moon, the faster we get to altcoin season. Right now, we're in an altcoin season. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is still fearful. We saw some little extreme fear in the market over the last 72 hours. Market participants were scared. As expected, we saw the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, and that's why extreme fear returned. But it was nothing burger. There's a big bounce right now in the altcoin market, with altcoins bouncing double digits over the last 48 hours. The altcoin season index say we're not in an altcoin season. I believe we'll always see altcoin season before the cycle comes to an end. It's either the cycle is already ended and we're right now in the beginning of the bear market. That means we saw an alt season in the month of September, or maybe we'll visit back altcoin season just like we saw in 2024. We saw an altcoin season in January. We visited the altcoin season territory again in March. If you know what an altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's an altcoin season. Right now, a lot of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, but we have not seen all the altcoins outperform Bitcoin. Even though Solana is doing better than Bitcoin, Solana is up 21% over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is down 1.8%. The more altcoins outperform Bitcoin over a 90-day period, the closer we get to an altcoin season. And I believe we're not far off of that altcoin season. Guys, drop it to us in the comment section. How bullish are you on the price of Solana? We're supposed to get the ETF approved today, but the government is on shutdown. Hopefully, we still get the ETF approved in the month of October. Are you still buying more Solana? How high do you see Solana going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.